Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. There, guys, today we're with Eddy Bomba. Yes, Mr. Little Police are gone. Never say me we do it. Never say me do it. Me say me we do it. Jumanji. Jumanji pan me pen Riddim. Jump in the one and see what the G has said, man. Don't know. Let's go. We're not wasting time. Time late. Let's go.
Rico, crazy.
Wait, what a space in there? What a space in there? If you don't watch the Jumanji movie, then you don't understand the scene here with the something else.
Yo, me a pen. Me no say who for rich and we rap be up on Jumanji. Check me.
Yo, big up the production team, RB Visual, big up yourself. Directed by RB Visual, big up yourself. There was a name that was called earlier on, me miss. See if we can find it again.
Yo, me a pen. Me no say who for rich and we rap be up on Jumanji. Check me.
I will go back to it at the start and when the end and then find it and then we couldn't know.
Kicks are off, sim and this. We make millions flip. Inna the bang and when me fling one chip. Inna the game like Jumanji.
What? Alright, cool, let's go. Are the movie me watching now?
I go sing and trap. Crack a skull with the pickaxe stop.
Hold on. Let me go back from top. I'm big up the production team properly, because I never do that. Nah, we see spaceship and fly over. So Rico Records, big up yourself.
Yo, me a pen. Me no say who for rich and we rap be up on Jumanji.
Alright, RB Visuals, big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. I think that's
check me kicks are off, sim and this. We make millions flip. Inna the bang and when me fling one chip.
Yeah, be banging him sing about till in a dog. Man, no sing about nothing else but banging in a brother. There's a film life there, no?
The game like Jumanji. Dog we sing and trap. Crack a skull with the pickaxe stop.
Dog we sing and trap. Crack a skull with the pickaxe top. Pickaxe, you have the pickaxe stick, and you have the pickaxe top. The actual bit to actually do the picking. The digging, yeah, that's my crack is called with it. Not literally still, but yeah, you know what I mean.
My drop, I may drip and crash. When I lip and cap, from a say we a drip and splash. We grab.
When I lip and cap. Yo, big up all that chopper them, you know, man. Get on the little cap of them, you see me? Yeah, dog. Yeah, yo, left that.
Card and a king and jack. Card limit and max. Diamond chain and grill and watch. Shirt.
Card limit and max. Diamond chain and what? Shirt and watch.
Pants and slipper socks. Benz big and fat. When we pull up at the villa and stop. Now if he hawks if me bring one tat. And
look at mom them texty, man. Look at mom them texty.
She bring one friend, she love clout and me sing and trend. Not no family for brick and spend.
She love clout and me sing and trend. Alright, take off the glasses, car. Eddy G, I said something to the song still.
Start twist and bend. See she ready to go give one head. She start pull me baby, same man bell. She take pill.
Yo, the man side is so different, dog. Like, you're so intrigued to hear what I'm gonna say next. Like,
and shell. Any of me live and melt. Bring up on the wall for me ship and send.
Yo, the man style is so unique. It's like there's nobody out there that could be able to replicate him style. Big word, I replicate. Blood clot. Let's go.
Go tell Chin and Jeff. Me no say who for rich and we rap be up on Jumanji.
Go tell Chin and Jeff. Me no see who for rich and me. Me no see it.
Check me kicks are off, sim and this. We make millions flip. Inna the bang and when me fling one chip.
Yo, the boss really dressed for the Jumanji party in that. Look at G out there like a jungle, like one of those man who catch crocodile.
Inna the game like Jumanji. Call off finance me. Cause the whole like epoxy.
Skull off finance him say. He might tell us basically right now the skull have to be in finance. Him skull have to make sure say man alright, whatever it is.
Drop it, be my me no see taxi. In the game like Jumanji. Dark me off hard like the sauce. Fat Benz.
Yo, miss one thing come out to the papers with the way. One time paper for the news where the police them must say, yo, them want ban him from performing mobile because of the same lick down police are going. Cause apparently when police get licked down. I mean, I don't hear about that something there. Me see it. Me hear the officer them talk about it.
Chop clear top for the wall. Them know some master the craft. Crack a skull know he's a walk to the park.
To crack a skull now is a walk into the park. It make it look so easy. Him can do it with him eyes closed. 1, 2, 3.
Some fast have a part, now me yard. Press a button, spacecraft, have a blast up on Mars. Them
Yo. I feel him time now, you know. Like, I feel him time. If you think about it, there's a period where some artists have them time, and then after that, no call up. I feel him time now.
no some nah stop a fraud. All when my gun for the chop. That go cigar and chop.
Man, so him a tell this to say yo, him nah stop do the game, brother. All when him gone on the chart, all when him up there, you see me?
Skull with the pickaxe stop. They be my drop, I may drift and crash. Me no lip and cap. From a see we a drip and splash.
So we a drip and splash. So him chain them a drip and the color on a splash out. That you mean right there, right?
Grab card and a king and jack. Card limit and max. Diamond.
We have card and a king and jack. Oh, I missed that the first time him said. We have card and a king and jack and a card pack him a talk about. And a chair card and a rum and I'm telling him a talk about. We have the people in bank card, brother. Yeah, the max out.
Chain and grill and watch. Shirt pants and slipper socks. Benz big and fat. When we pull up at the villa and stop.
Benz big and fat when he pull up at the villa. Yeah, yo.
If we rich and we rap beer and Jumanji. Check me kicks a rap sim and this. We make me.
How can I kick him on this a while ago? Hold on there.
Rich and we rap beer and Jumanji.
How can I kick that? I look like I can't even see it good. I can't see it good.
Check me kicks a rap sim and this. We make millions flip. Inna the banger where me fling one chip. Inna the game like Jumanji. Skull.
Inna the banger where we fling one chip. Inna the game like Jumanji. Wanna watch a show there? Jumanji? Wanna watch it?
If you finance me, cause the whole like epoxy.
Caution.
Drop it, be my me no see taxi.
Yo, drop it, be my me no see taxi. Big up all the taxi driver them. Even the frownsy one them, cause you know say every route have a frownsy taxi man. But the man that tell the writer say yo, him no see taxi, brother. Drop it, be man now, me no see taxi.
Inna the game like Jumanji.
Caution me. Boss, I have fun with the girl them though. Like it. Like me say, big up the production team. Yeah, big up on yourself. Project. And big up the person who shoot the video. Big up the director. Yes. Big up yourself again with you. Records. Raise Records. Big up yourself, Eugene. RB Visuals. Big up yourself. The video shot. Me like it. What do you think what I want to do? What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. What you guys think. And remember, if I don't pause, I don't get paid. That's why I pause a lot. If I don't pause, I don't get paid. You understand? Alright. So anybody feel free to come in the comment section. Come tell me if we chat too much. Just know so I'm black I go come and I'm not go see the channel again. Cause I've been doing that lately. With these that gonna bomba clat and fuck with me. Not for no chat and them and subscribe. Yeah. I wanna think what I want to Jumanji. Yeah man, me sitting in the comment section a couple times if we react to it still. So I was gonna react to it, but just never have the time. But yeah. I know one thing what I want to, and obviously I'll catch you guys in the next one. Yeah. Peace.
Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm here represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. JAMAICA'S gamer. Review this for them, no man.